JOJOCARS back with another video, man. Y'all see, hold on, ooh, boom. Y'all see that shit right there, JOJOCARS. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel ASAP. Don't skip the fucking ads. You feel me? This motherfucker is ironing. Yeah, wait, hold on. Y'all see that? If y'all, bro, checked out the TikTok, y'all definitely see this get used a couple times so far. But this motherfucking, y'all see the body kit on, bro. If y'all haven't checked out the body kit, getting put back on and painted and taken off and all that shit, make sure y'all just check it out. That should be before this, cause like, but I really do gotta get down on my editing shit. So like that, and bro, those getting tinted. You feel me? At least one side y'all got shown. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel one more time. Now y'all see that. But we got some little. I don't know why the flash turned off. Maybe my phone about to die. No, I don't know. Maybe I hit it. We got some little interior, little interior stuff that I wanted to do today. So this is gonna be a little different. I don't know if I've seen somebody do this on TikTok already though, but I ain't gonna lie. We gonna see. So this is the packaging. This is how it came in all in a box too. Had little toys in it and shit. So I gotta crack this shit open. But I definitely do plan to put it in this motherfucker. So just stay tuned for that. I'm probably gonna open it up and then like mock it up. I just wanted to show y'all it in the packaging real quick. So make sure y'all check it out. So stay tuned to what you see. What you see is what you get. Once again, subscribe to the channel if y'all want to see more shenanigans. Y'all see how we shine right there? Look, hey, JOJOCARS. Make sure y'all subscribe to that channel on Brody, bro. But yeah, we gonna put this shit in. So make sure y'all stay in tune to the video on Brody. On Brody, y'all see how it's looking, bro. Watch, y'all gonna see when it all unfold, and then I'm gonna have to cut it, man. Just saying. All right, y'all. So look, it came with toys and shit. Hold on. Y'all see how I was looking? Y'all see how it's looking? Hold on. Let me try to get a thumbnail or something. Boom. Yeah. But y'all see how I was looking? This is just me on my bullshit, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit, that's hella toys. All right, y'all. Y'all see all the little cards on the thing now. You feel? Hey, and damn, they all go too. You feel me? Look at that. Oh, not that one. Oh, I lied. Look, crash this shit. All right, let me stop playing. Look, I'm out here, man. Hey, if you want to get this shit, this bread worth it. You feel me? Look, don't out here driving off. Hey, motherfuckers taking off, boy. You feel me? Look, don't go under the car. Glass. All right, let me stop playing with y'all. I'm just trying to get all this shit on there. Look at this shit. Man, bro, stay on the track, bro. Stupid fuck. Come on, Amber Lamps. Look. That motherfucker moving. Dude, that's hella toys. It should not be this much toys. Look, he gone. This dump truck. He go. Ooh. Ooh. All right, let me stop playing with y'all. I'm not even supposed to be playing with the toy. I'm supposed to be cutting it. So I already figured out where I'm gonna cut it though. I'm gonna cut it like right here and then straight up so I can follow the line. And this side is where I'm gonna be like curving it towards, you feel me, the line of the Miata. So I'm just trying to make it basically just big enough for now, and then I'll cut it to shape. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna cut it to this cafe or whatever and call it a day. I don't think I'm gonna show cutting it. I'm gonna just show y'all after it's cut, and I'm gonna have the middle slab for whatever. But I'm just trying to make sure I have at least a clean edge on one side, you feel me? And then the inside edge is gonna be the cut edge, basically. So, yeah. All right, y'all. So I cut it in one way, in like one little rectangle. You feel me? So yeah, y'all see at that little corner, it need to get cut. And I'm debating like if I should like just let it sit on the sides like this, or should I like make it flush? But I think it's decent, you feel me? I like it. Like y'all get the point, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think I need to do nothing too crazy. I'm definitely gonna probably cut that because I don't want nothing messing with the clutch. I don't want nothing in the way. So I'm gonna just definitely cut this right here. So that this could be flush to the back of there. At least like as long as everything's laying down. Maybe I'll cut this side. Nah, because then I'll cut the cafe. Can't cut that cafe. You feel me? So like, yeah, what's wrong with this? Maybe I could scoot it up a little bit more, you feel me? Oh, bro, but I don't know. What if I scoot it up? I don't know, it might look uglier. You feel me? What y'all think? It look valid? That kind of look valid. Hold on, let me see. Step in that joint. Use that motherfucker. You feel me? I ain't gonna be using the gas rather more than that. You know what I mean? So like, y'all really think this messing with me? No, not really. And it look raw. That shit raw as hell. No bap. I'll be taking TikToks. They be like, damn. Let's get the other side in, y'all. I have just enough to do this whole thing just like this. So we're gonna see if I'm gonna do this whole thing just like this. Otherwise, it's just gonna be like this. This could always come off, you feel me? Like, I could probably eventually like even get these wrapped in them, but you never know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. I think I damn near might wrap them. So stay in tune, y'all. And I said I was gonna show with the top dropped. I don't think I said it on here, but I definitely said it on my TikTok. So y'all have TikTok, check that shit out. I'll do that too. Show y'all from the top. That shit raw. Hold on, I gotta move that. Somebody's voice in the way. Y'all see that? That could be like a good thumbnail, you feel me? Miata lifestyle right there. You feel me? That shit kind of cold, I ain't gonna lie. That shit raw. Alright, so here's the like end result. I think it looks decent. I'm not gonna lie. I think it looked pretty decent for, you know, a dub. Like, bro, what else are you gonna get, bro? Everybody gonna be like, it's rice, but it gives another reason to look in the car. You feel me? Especially at a car meet, whatever, taking pictures, videos, TikToks. Just another reason to look at the car, look in the car, notice something different. Like, who has that in their whips, bro? It's kind of cold-blooded. I ain't gonna lie to you, that's kind of cold-blooded. But that is definitely the end of this video. This is all I was doing for today. You know, I think I'm gonna leave the seats because I think that should look raw as fuck. It look like it's like, look, that trail look like it's going down and then goes and this. You feel me? Like, damn, that shit raw. Even though these are sideways too. If you can't tell, but you feel me, bro? But make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, JOJOCARS. Y'all see that right there, even though it's backwards. I'm about to get the fuck off this right now. But yeah, y'all see that right there, JOJOCARS. Make sure y'all subscribe. This was not that long of a video. It was pretty simple. I really just cut these bitches in rectangles, bro. And just got this bitch decent. Maybe like later, like I said, I'll cut the sides and all that little stuff. But for now, I don't really drive this car. And I won't notice until I'm actually using it. But I'm definitely going to try to safety pin some of this shit down and do shit that way. Like, I'm probably going to safety pin the whole thing down to this one. And yeah, just try to make it sit better so that, you know, just going in and out. It's not like moving around too much. But like, yeah. To be honest, I'll fuck with it. I'll fuck with it. So, yeah. I definitely fuck with it. That shit raw. End up just using the whole carpet. I don't know. I think that shit raw, bro. It just gives the car a little look. Like, damn. But make sure y'all stay tuned once again. Subscribe to the channel. Got nothing else to say. And JoJo out. All right, y'all.